Well-maintained 5-bedroom home with 2 non-conforming bedrooms in the basement. Large front and rear decks and a full walkout partially finished basement. There is new carpet in the dining room and hallway, new paint on the decks, and this home features a very open floor plan. The kitchen/dining, breakfast area is nicely open and very spacious. Great area for entertaining. The master bedroom has all of the amenities that you would expect with walk-in closet, double vanity, and large tub. The basement features 2 bedrooms, a full bath, family room, and 2 large storage/workshop areas. The 5 acres is very open and has lots of room for outbuildings or other outdoor endeavors. This one will not last long.